For the computational craft final assignment, I made this wearable hand controller as an instrument to control different nodes. This entire device is made by modular components, which you can replace any of them in different sizes, different connections. Based on this example, I would like to briefly introduce my experience and methodology on designing Modular Wearable E-Textile project. So first, why modular? The first reason is that wearable devices need to be attached to human body, which comes in different sizes. For example, the diameter of my wrist or the size of my fingers. So from the ergonomics point of view, we would better design the parts in contact with the human body to be replaceable or adjustable. The second is about hardware debugging. From my experience in hardware development, hardware problems are more tricky than software issues because hardware tends to have an unstable physical state. And the modular design makes it easy to isolate each component from testing. This gave us more control over our installation. Here's my workflow about how to design such a product. First, think about choosing the right base, such as a jacket, hat, or in my case, a wrist sleeve. This foundation can carry all the parts afterwards, as well as separating our circuits from conductive human body. What's more, it's washable. In the second step, a unified connection strategy. It can be buttons, zippers, hook and loop, etc. It depends on whether they need to be conductive, how they are sewed on the base. In my case, I use snaps. I applied it for the connection between base and circuit boards, wires, sensors. This is the most important element for modular design. Another important step, implement the circuit. After prototyping on a breadboard, I started to design the circuit and the layout of every component. I tried using conductive threads to sew the entire circuit onto a piece of fabric, but I found that I could not guarantee the accuracy or the aesthetics. So I designed a stitched PCB in CAD software and 3D printed it. Of course, we can design an actual PCB, but considering the connection parts you use, you will need to find a way to modify your design. Final step, put everything together. I hope this tutorial has inspired you. Thanks for watching.